Hi everyone. Today we're going to continue on with our VOAC lesson 20. We're going to talk about the U-E-Oo words. You will need some supplies for this lesson. You will need a notebook and a pencil, or a piece of scratch paper and a pencil, or if you have a dry erase board and a marker, something to write some words down. So why don't you pause the video, go and get your supplies, and then come back and hit play. Does everyone have their supplies? Let's get going. So the other day when we were talking about these UE words, we found out that the UE is used most of the time at the end of a word. So if you hear a word that has the oo sound at the end, it's probably written by the UE. There are not a lot of words that end with the oo sound, and today we're going to go through the most common words. So let's go to your paper and let's dictate a few words. The first word we're going to write is a school supply that we use to stick things together. Glue. So G-O-O. And remember what makes the oo sound at the end. So will you write the word glue down on your paper? G-O, and then our oo. Glue. The next word we're going to write is if something needs to be turned in, the deadline, we say it is due. Now, this is different than this due. It's not like go and do your Nearpod lesson. Do. So we have duh, ooh. What's making the ooh sound at the end? So we have duh and ooh. Very good. That's not a very good D, is it? Sorry. The next word I would like you to write, and then we'll check, is true. Something that you can prove, something that is real, that is not false, is true. Will you write the word true? True. Did you have T-R-U-E? True. Word is when you are drawing conclusions, you're looking for facts, information. You're looking for a clue. Will you write the word clue? Ooh, ooh. I'll give you a hint. It's the short. Did you have C-L-U-E? Clue. Great job. Let's do a few more here today. The next one we're going to do, it's the name of a lady. Now remember, when you have a proper noun, what do you do with proper nouns? You're right, you must capitalize them. And a special name of a person is a proper noun. And the name we're going to write today is Sue. So we have ooh, Sue. Her grandma's name was Sue. Did you start with your capital S and then ooh written by the U-E? Nice work. The next word I have for you is a color. It's the color of the sky. It's the color of water. It is blue. Will you write the word blue? Blue. Did you write B-L-U-E? Blue. Very good. The final word we're going to write is actually a two-syllable word. It's a compound word, so it has two smaller words that are put together. The word is overdue. If you have not returned your library books in a while, The librarian would say that you need to turn it in because your books are overdue. Will you write the word overdue? It's all one word. If you need to pause the video to give you more time, you can. Overdue. Well, in the first syllable, I hear over. 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 The second word is due. Duh. Ooh. Overdue. Great job, everyone.